Hi, I'm Vic Tesolin and welcome to my shop. I wanted to spend today looking at these Famag bits that KJP Select Hardwoods started carrying. They're made in Germany and they do a fantastic job at making tear-out free holes. Let's take a closer look at them. These Forstner bits from Famag aren't your run-of-the-mill bits. The first thing you'll notice is the fine centering point that makes positioning on a fine awl mark easy to do. The tip is also twisted, which reduces the amount of force required to feed the bit. The outside surface of the bits have cooling fins that help lower the friction, which reduces the heat. Because of this, you can drill at speed without worrying about the heat that can typically destroy a bit. Take a look at the packaging to see how fast you can run the bit. Finally, the main cutting edges have offset chip breakers milled into them to speed up the drilling process and reduce the amount of effort required. The brad point bits are also different compared to what you're used to. The flutes are ground deeper than typical bits, which help remove chips way more effectively. The points aren't delicate, which reduces the chances of heat damage. This means they stay sharp, keeping the entry and exit holes clean. These bits can run much faster than typical bits because of these improved designs. Sometimes you need holes, and sometimes you need to fill those holes. A perfect job for this is the disc and plug cutter. The unique cutting geometry makes perfectly sized plugs that precisely fit when using Famag drills to make the hole. These drill bits are just another reason why you should stop by KJP Select Hardwood. They've got fantastic staff there and they're woodworkers, so they understand what you're going through and can answer a lot of your questions. Thanks for stopping by the shop.